In this video, we will help you decide which hike is best for you to get to Machu Picchu.
Oh my gosh!
And YouTubers and Instagrammers will tell you this is the first thing you should do when you get to Machu Picchu. How you feeling? And we did it too. Huge mistake. In all our years of traveling, this is one of the biggest pieces of advice we can give you, and it pertains to traveling anywhere in the world. And if you do this, you may be denied entry into other countries.
We're gonna hike all the way up to that snow-covered mountain.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
It's just slightly
Hey guys. So both hikes will originate in Cusco or the Sacred Valley. The difference is just going to be the starting point. We did the 2-day hike. So we started by taking a train from Cusco to get further up the Inca Trail. If you did the 4-day hike, you would have walked most of this instead and camped at night. Okay, I'm done. On the 4-day hike, you typically walk about 7 to 9 hours a day and hit much higher elevations.
Alright. First up. Okay, yeah, first up. Okay.
You also have porters to help carry your stuff and stay in camps at night where cooks will prepare food for you.
A bunch of little tiny rooms.
We'd say if you're avid hikers or your whole trip is completely focused around Machu Picchu and you have plenty of time, then by all means do the 4-day hike. How you feeling?
Winded.
Hey, sweetie. You're not even sweating. But to still get a great experience and still have time to see other sites in Peru, we recommend the 2-day hike. Plus, you'll still get to see the Citadel through the famous Sun Gate. I think Shannon and I are pro adventurers,
Trying to. Don't trip.
but we are only casual hikers.
Should get a little bit easier. I said, I think it's gonna get easier as we get used to it.
Yeah. Next vacation? I think we still would have done the 4-day hike, but it came down to a matter of time. We wanted to see as much as we could in Peru. If you saw our last video, we provided a jam-packed, detailed itinerary of where we went in Peru, including Cusco, Machu Picchu, the Sacred Valley, Iquitos, Lima, and more. And also spent a week deep in the Amazon rainforest. If you have any desire to come to this area, make sure to watch that video. The Amazon rainforest alone could have been its own trip, and it was amazing. We also explain why you shouldn't stay in Lima and head over to Cusco immediately to get acclimated to higher altitudes before doing this hike.
Security game.
Wow, I've never got that from Shannon before.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Citronella,
Oh.
the natural mosquito repellent. It's because there are
Citronella?
different type of citronella.
Cool.
One of those is this. But usually when the citronella is ready, that is open like flower. It's a red color.
So whether we did the 2-day hike or the more popular 4-day hike, we knew we wanted to do some kind of hike to get to Machu Picchu. If you read the history of all the adventurers in the early 1900s looking for lost Inca cities in the jungles of South America, it's fairly fascinating. These explorers were like a real-life Indiana Jones. They left their family and kids and went on expeditions that lasted for years. So we thought if those explorers could spend years out in the jungle looking for cities, then we could at least spend a day or two on our own adventure and make our own Machu Picchu discovery.
And also in front of you, this is the Machu Picchu mountain.
Okay.
Okay, but that now we will walk around this mountain. That river has different.
But not like.
It's green because it's the gum.
You doing okay, Chris?
I'm fine.
I ain't worried about you. I know you're fine. The other one. I know Chris said they both answered.
Chris has called me sweetie twice in the past 24 hours.
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's awesome. Hey Shannon.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
yeah.
Okay.
This is the monkey stairs.
Okay.
Just
Go for it.
50
No, I
get
ain't
you.
running up that. I'm gonna take. How many steps?
Take your time.
50.
You want me to go?
Yeah,
You want
I'll get
pictures
you.
of my butt?
Not really.
Okay, then go. Because that's what you're gonna see. I had enough of those.
That would be impressive.
Woo! Impressive.
Did you get a shot? How much further?
Not long.
Uphill.
Almost to Machu Picchu.
Almost made it.
That's it. In the last video, I said we did the one-day hike, but actually, this is the two-day hike. The hiking distance is the same, but with the one-day hike, you would head back to Cusco on the same day. That would leave you with almost no time to see Machu Picchu. We'd recommend doing at least 2 days and staying overnight in the cute town of Aguas Calientes. So basically, you'll spend all day on the Inca Trail and arrive at Machu Picchu. Then you will take a bus to Aguas Calientes and stay the night, and get up early and head back to Machu Picchu. And here are two really important things. First, get up early to catch the bus back to Machu Picchu. The lines for the bus in Aguas Calientes can get really long. Second, and this is one of the most important travel tips we've learned in all our years of traveling. I don't follow directions.
You can walk around this.
The first thing you're going to want to do when you arrive at the Citadel is to get your passport stamped with a Machu Picchu stamp. We certainly wanted proof that we'd been here, and Shannon and I both stamped our passports right away, just like we were told. The problem is, the Machu Picchu stamp is not a valid stamp, nor are you allowed to put your own stamps in your passport. So once you put one of these novelty stamps in your passport, it can be considered altered or mutilated. I doubt any country would deny you entry for a Machu Picchu stamp, but do you really want to take that chance? Especially if a country is already looking for a reason not to let you in. We had 5 years left on our passports, but went ahead and got new ones after reading up on the subject. So that's our big piece of advice. Don't put stamps or do anything to your passports. With that out of the way, take your time and explore the magical Machu Picchu. And if you like adventure, make sure to climb to the top of Huayna Picchu. We did the hike, and I can tell you it's not for the faint of heart if you go all the way to the top, but you can turn around at about any point. We should have a video of that hike out soon. Oh man.
I can do that.
Oh Jesus, what's this over here? Until then, oh jeez, like and subscribe, and we have over 100 videos on our channel, so pick an adventure and let's go do some stuff.